Thank you for your inquiry on the model year 14 Mercedes-AMG E63. To help you feel more comfortable with purchasing a vehicle sight unseen, we've put this video together for you. Featured in diamond white bright metallic, this E63 also features 19-inch AMG 10-spoke light alloy wheels and AMG body styling. Taking a look inside the vehicle now, it features 3-setting memory seats, automatic headlights, push start and stop, AMG sports pedals and the AMG steering wheel. Easily change between navigation, audio, phone, video and system setups. Designo leather seats are featured throughout the vehicle, with the front ones being heated. The sun protection package is included on this vehicle, which includes the electric sunblind for the rear window and the sunblind for the rear doors operated manually. This vehicle also features the panoramic glass electric sunroof with the tilt slide function. If you'd like more information on this E63, please contact us on 08 8723 8881 or mbcarlinandgazzard.com.au.